In the whirlwind of life's demands, stress can often get the upper hand. Juggling work, family activities, household duties, or personal matters, the strain can impact you physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. But there are simple steps to counteract stress, starting with the food on your plate. Steer clear of caffeine, alcohol, and sugary foods during high-stress periods. These stimulants and depressants can sap your energy and deprive you of the fuel needed to manage tension effectively. In contrast, several superfoods can provide the energy and nutrition your body craves to keep stress at bay. Asparagus, rich in folic acid, helps to balance your moods. Red meat, despite its sometimes bad reputation, is a smart choice for a stressed-out family. High in iron, zinc, and B vitamins, it helps maintain a positive mood. Milk, laden with calcium, protein, antioxidants, and vitamins B2 and B12, promotes healthy cell regeneration and strengthens bones. Paired with a whole grain cereal in the morning, it's a powerful start to your day. Cottage cheese, especially when paired with vitamin C-rich fruit, helps the body combat free radicals during high-stress periods. Finally, consider almonds. Packed with magnesium, zinc, vitamins B2, C, and E, and unsaturated fats, they are formidable warriors against free radicals. Remember, the right food choices can be your strongest ally in the battle against stress.